रफ्तार पे सूरज की किरण नाज करे, मेरी रफ्तार पे सूरज की किरण नाज करे, ऐसी परवाज दे मालिक के गगन नाच करे।
मेरी रफ्तार पे सूरज की किरण नाच करे, ऐसी परवाज दे मालिक की गगन नाच करे।
Hey, look at these shapes. What did you notice? These shapes have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. Therefore, we call these shapes as 3-dimensional shapes. All the 3-dimensional shapes are solids. The volume of an object is the amount of space it takes up. For example, an inflated balloon takes up more space than an empty balloon. That means that a balloon that is blown up has more volume than one that hasn't been blown up. Volume can also show capacity, how much a container can hold. A bathtub has more volume than a cup of coffee. Basically, volume is expressed in millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, and meters cubed. In general, the volume, V, of a solid is given by area of the base into height, where A is the area of the base of the solid and H is the height. Let's learn about the volumes of different objects. See, this is a cube having 3 dimensions: length, height, and width. It is like an empty box and has 6 equal square sides of the same size. How will you measure its volume? Think. First, consider this square with each side with the length L. Next, let's change this square into a cube. Note that all the sides of a cube have the same length L. To find the volume of the cube, we just need to multiply the area A with L. Hence, by multiplying these 3 L's together, we get L cube. Therefore, the formula for the volume of a cube is L cube.
Volume of a cube. Today, we will learn how to find the volume of a cube. Let's begin. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. We know that a cube is a solid geometrical object with 6 faces. Each face of a cube is a square. In the figure, the length, breadth, and height are marked, but as it is a cube, all its edges measure the same. Therefore, let us call each of its edges a side. We get the volume of a cube by multiplying its length, breadth, and height. Thus, volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, which is equal to S into S into S is equal to S cubed. The unit of volume is cubic centimeter or cubic meter. We write it as shown. Let us solve an example. Find the volume of a cube having side as 6 centimeters. Volume of a cube is equal to side cubed, which is equal to 6 cubed, which is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, which is equal to 216 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the given cube is 216 cubic centimeters. Now, let us solve a story problem. If length, breadth and height of each block is equal to 4 meters, then find the volume of 60 such blocks. It is given that side is equal to 4 meters. Number of blocks is equal to 60. Firstly, let us find the volume of one block, which is equal to side cubed, which is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64 cubic meters. Now, volume of 60 such blocks is equal to volume of one block into number of blocks, which is equal to 64 into 60 is equal to 3840 cubic meters. Thus, the volume of 60 such blocks is 3840 cubic meters. Wasn't it fun learning about cube and its volume? Now you try solving a few